It's a toasted marshmallow milkshake. We make our own custard.
Yeah.
You know, super fresh every single day. We have a creamery. It comes out thick and it's spun at a very low temperature. So it's hand spun, so it leaves a really lasting impression on the palate. So this marshmallow I invented started off I wanted to recreate the s'mores, but I never got to the graham cracker part. I just toasted the marshmallows, put them with ice cream, and it was like a campfire in your mouth. So if you want to do these at home, this is what you do.
That's pretty cool.
Is it pretty cool? You want to do this a little bit?
Yeah, I'll do it.
All right, dude, I'm going to go check out the burgers.
Okay.
And I really want you to burn these. We really want to caramelize them and turn them really dark. Yeah, no, we want them on fire.
Okay.
It's time to be on fire. Flip these around a little bit because we want you to really get in there and burn them a little bit more. Go for it. Oh, yeah.
All right. Uh-oh. There we go. I thought I was out of gas.
You're doing good. You're doing good. Perfect. All right. Now you can just let them be on fire just for a second. And then we'll blow them out. Cool?
All right.
This is how you get the toasted marshmallow flavor. It's a little trick. You can really not accomplish this milkshake unless you burn the marshmallows. If you throw them in the oven, what happens if you're toasting in the oven, they just dry out. And they get no flavor. This way, you can start blowing it out a little. All right, time to make my signature marshmallow fluff. Here we go. This is what happens.
What is that?
This is what happens. This is marshmallow. So marshmallows are made with gelatin, correct?
Yeah.
So when we put them in a blender just like this, all dark and black, what happens is we're gonna blend them up with some milk. So you can add a little bit of milk in there.
Whole milk, I'm guessing.
Whole milk. Whatever kind of milk you want, really. Doesn't really matter. And then we're gonna blend. So what happens is when you re-refrigerate this, it turns into this dark clump. So you got the marshmallow fluff. Want to taste it?
Yeah.
Go ahead.
Tasty.
Tasty?
Ooh, sweet.
Right? It's good.
Super sweet.
Can you get the custard out of the freezer for me?
Ooh, this looks luscious, chef.
Right? Nice and creamy. All right. You can use a blender, but what happens is it creates friction when you're making the milkshake. So it creates friction, which creates heat, which melts your ice cream. You want to use a prong because what that does, it keeps it nice and cold. So I'm going to show you how we get down on the milkshake. So I'm going to have you do this. So literally press this and go up and down.
Okay.
That looks perfect.
Careful.
So what we'll do is we're going to knock it to loosen it up.
Woo!
Whoop. It's okay. Came out. It came out.
Shake.
It's a super shake. But listen, shakes are meant to be a little sloppy. So there you go. You made your first toasted marshmallow shake.
Yummy. You put a marshmallow on it?
Yeah, put a bunch of marshmallows on there. Just go marshmallow crazy.